We have 20 sets of punching machines with tonnages ranging from 40T to 200T, suitable for processing various irregular products made of materials such as copper, iron, stainless steel, and aluminum, with dimensional accuracy controlled within 0.03 millimeters. Currently, our main products include 1. Automotive connection and structural components. 2. New energy photovoltaic products. 3. Mobile phone connectors, spring plates, and bracket components. 4. Semiconductor link pieces and lead frames. Our monthly production capacity can reach 12 million units,